Hello बच्चों, let us read this question. So the question says, which one of the following is smallest in size? So हमें कुछ ions दिए हैं and इनमें से smallest ion को ढूंढना है. So इस question में the key concept is knowing the periodic classification. Because if we know the periodic classification, we will find out the electronic configuration या फिर atomic number of these elements, and we can easily find out the size from the electronic configuration. So let us start. सबसे पहले we need to find out the atomic number and the number of protons and electrons present currently in the ion. So let's write ये सारे ions and see the number of electrons and protons. Na plus में protons are 11 and electrons are 10. Oxygen के 2 negative में electrons are 10 and protons are 8. Nitrogen के 3 negative में electrons are 7 plus 3, so 10 again. And protons are 7. And fluorine में protons are 9 and electrons are 10. So ये हैं इनकी protons and electrons. As you can see, सारे के सारे elements have the same amount of electrons. So these species will be considered isoelectronic. जिन species में same amount of electrons होता है उन्हें isoelectronic species कहा जाता है. So for an isoelectronic species, for an isoelectronic species, we consider the effective nuclear charge. So for example, Na plus में 11 protons हैं but O2 negative में 8 protons हैं, जिसका मतलब है Na plus में attraction यानी कि nuclear charges सबसे ज़्यादा होंगे. This is why this will have the smallest size. So size will be inversely proportional to the nuclear charge, effective nuclear charge. So more the effective nuclear charge, smaller the ion. जिसके हिसाब से you can see that N3 negative will be the biggest ion. So the order is N3 negative followed by O2 negative, उसके बाद F negative, and finally we have Na positive. So the smallest ion is Na plus ion, which is option A. So हमारा आंसर हुआ option A, Na plus. Hope you were able to understand. Best of luck.